Last year, we unveiled Always Home Cam, an autonomous indoor flying camera, and we've seen a lot of excitement from our customers. Let me tell you, it's taken a lot of hard engineering. Turns out learning to fly is pretty tough, but it's certainly been worth it. One of the benefits of my role is that I get to be customer number one on a lot of our prototypes. And I have to tell you, the first time I saw the point of view footage from Always Home Cam flying through my house, my head exploded. I now know how that emoji really feels. If a picture is worth 1,000 words, Always Home Cam might be worth 1,000 cameras. With this device, you no longer need to have a camera installed everywhere, since it can basically fly anywhere inside and give you the view you need when you need it. For example, when you're away, you can just press a button. It'll fly a pre-planned route and show you what's going on. It can also be set to do routes based on a triggered event, like flying to a Ring door alarm sensor when it's tripped in away mode. And like all of our products and services, privacy is foundational. The camera lens is covered when it's in the dock, and it only films when it's in motion. Today, we're opening up the invite list for Always Home Cam. If you want to be one of the first to get your hands on this device, I would sign up quick.